Hey there! Welcome back to another Sunday range day, and this is kind of a special one. We just had the range review of the PSA dagger, the rock, the 5.7 rock. I've made that mistake so many times. And you know what? It's Sunday range day. I'm in a good mood. I don't care. I'm gonna keep rolling. So first off, the gun is empty. There's nothing in the magazine. There's nothing in the chamber. There's no ammo in this area. We are good. Safe for handling, we are. So yeah, if you watched the Sunday or the range review, we went through several different types of ammo and the gunshot a little bit to the left. Now I have made those corrections, and we're going to take a few shots at a target. We're not going to elaborate on. Let's walk out there this way. But we're not going to elaborate a lot on the target shooting today because we want to have some fun with this. You've watched the range review, you know how it shoots. But I do want to take a few shots, and just so you all get a picture of what's going on. These are the group that's already here around it, and I have pasters over that. So we got a clean slate. So I want to take a few shots and see what the corrections did, and then we'll keep rolling. We'll regroup back at the table. All right, we have 10 rounds loaded of the Fiocchi. This is the 40 grain full metal jackets, and we're going to see what kind of group we get now with those corrections compared to the last one. And, you know, something I didn't discuss in the last video, or actually in the range review of this rock, was when we changed to different types of ammo during that video, we were using different magazines the whole time. Like that gun was sent, that was that package deal. You got the 10 mags with the pistol. Every one we tried to use a different magazine on, and they all functioned well. Of course, we only loaded 10 in each mag, but you know, maybe one day I'll get my reserves up enough to where we can fire a full capacity, you know. But right now, it's just it's a strain in the ammo department to try to keep doing that. So let's get these sent and see what y'all think about the dagger. I mean,
You keep calling it a dagger, and I'm going to take it. It's gonna be my dagger that I stowed.
5.7 rock. Can you tell I'm used to shooting daggers? Anyways, here we go. Got my ears on, got my eyes on. Now we're ready to roll. Now let's see if this group improved from the range review. Okay, magazine's empty, the chamber's clear, gun is safe. Let's check out the target. Yeah, you wouldn't take it from me, would you?
Maybe.
All right, in comparison to the last video, you can see our grouping was here. Now it's here. It's just almost underneath of that perfectly. I've got two flyers here. I don't know what I did there, but it's range day. Let's keep it rolling, right? All right, we're back at the table again, and we have 10 rounds of the Federal American Eagle loaded up. This is the 40 grain full metal jacket as well. And we're going to see what kind of group we get out of it this time with this. I'd like to find out exactly where we're hitting with this, because if we go into those water jugs and something else we've brought, I want to know where it's hitting, at least in the proximity.
Shoot, I ain't got it sitting here to show them.
You messed up.
I did. I could give them a sneak peek. Sorry, guys.
All right, back to it. Let's get that orange knocked out so I can get a cookie.
We'll see.
Okay, it's all 10. The mag's empty. The chamber's empty. The gun's clear. Let's go check our target out. Looks like a little bit of a grouping. What's this?
Uh-oh. Here.
There it is.
Here. Hold this for a second. Show them, all that.
Yeah. As you can see here, you had, that's a really good group out of that American Eagle, that 40 grain. And it almost cut dead center of that red. Y'all are seeing that, right? I mean, yeah. Like it's an official range day now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All of them. That is cool. That is great.
All right. What do y'all think? Cookie shot?
Give me that. I earned that. You know it. You all know it. Cookie emoji, drop them. Okay, crew. We're back at the table and we're going to break it up a little bit. We've got applesauce on the menu today out there on top right of the target stand. So let's see if we can serve you all using the same ammo, that American Eagle full metal jacket. So I'm wondering what kind of effect that'll have on that can. We're fixing to find out, I hope. All right. All right, gang. Let's see.
Did it do anything?
I don't know. That's what I thought I hit the stand. Oh, wow.
Oh, gosh.
Now, it direct hit the center and came out the back. So, you could see it like inflated the can. Like it was almost at that point. Now, I do have some hollow points. Let's not waste this. It's already wasted, but let's see if I can hit that with a hollow point. We'll regroup back at the table. All right, we're back at the table. We're hoping at least that'll be good slow-mo footage. I'll let y'all be the judge of that. This go around, we're going with the Spear Gold Dots. We tried them in the last video. I haven't really tried them for accuracy though, so this is going to be a look of the draw. Let's see what we can do. All right, that was reactive compared to that, and it already had a hole in it too. So we see hollow points made all the difference in that. I really want to touch this. I hate applesauce. But let's see where the hole was. That was the original one, and I don't know. Could have been that, or you know what? I think it hit over here. I think it hit here, so it went that way. But it definitely inflated that can. I know that was those Spear Gold Dots. So, all right, on to the next. Okay, we're going to try to catch a bullet. I don't know what this is going to do with this 5.7, but we'll give it a try. And as you can see, the table has returned again. It's like being haunted by something. But we've replaced the top of the table with a wire fence. So maybe that'll help. I don't know. Either that or it'll blow straight through it. We'll find out. All right, let's get set up. Okay, I've got one round of the Spear Gold Dot and 5.7 loaded up. Let's see if we can catch it, or the pieces of it, or just get wet today. Make it rain, make it rain. Wasn't so bad. Let's go check it out. Do you see anything? Well, we blew up the first one. We went, looks like it went through the second one. I don't see, no, I see some copper in that. Did it go into that? No, it wasn't enough. It looked like. No. So the bullet came through, hit this one, and we lost it again. So let's get set back up while we still have some waters left. They drain. See if we can catch this thing, huh? Okay, we don't give up that easily here, so we're going to try it one more time with the Spear Gold Dot and see what we got. That first jug has lost about a quarter, so maybe that'll affect the penetration. I don't know. We hope to catch it. Let's see what we can do. One bullet. See anything? Oh, there it is. There it is.
Oh, actually got it. I didn't even see it.
I didn't either. I don't know what to expect, actually. I'm trying to pour easy because if it's fragments, I don't want to lose them. Okay. Wow. Check out that beauty.
Hold on. It's blurry.
Well, we'll have better pictures. And I hate to admit it, I didn't turn the slow-mo camera on for this one. But we've got more bullets, and we'll try it on some more. And we got plenty more water, so let's get
Well,
to
it's
it.
his fault, guys, not mine. His fault.
All right, crew, we're going to see if we can repeat that again and try to catch another one of those Spear Gold Dots. Sorry about that slow-mo footage on that last one, guys, but we got it rolling now. So let's try it again with one bullet. All right, let's see if we caught something.
Let's see.
Clearly made it through the first. A big lump of something in it, but that's not a bullet. Hole there. Hole there. This
I saw a
one's
little bit of copper or something in that.
and a hole there, and that looks like that's a bullet. We did it. 2 for 2. Well, yeah, my hands are a little wet. And
Dirt.
it's good. It's down here.
Okay.
If y'all can see this table, yes, it is. The pressure is bending that steel on that fencing. So we're slowly, losing this table as well. All right, let's get this bullet out. All right, we'll just keep making these tables work, you know. There it is. That is a Spear Gold Dot. That is amazing. And we are catching them. Okay, let's get set up. I want to try a full metal jacket. See if we can catch a full metal jacket. All right, we're back. This time we have one of the Fiocchis, the Full Metal Jacket 40 grain. Now let's see if we can catch a Full Metal Jacket this time. All right, let's see what we did. The first one. There's the hit. I see no exit. It blew out the bottom. Wow, it blew the whole bottom out of that. Makes you wonder, did it? Huh. I see no bullet there. Did it blow out the bottom? Well, we'll see if we can find it, and we'll come back. All right, we're going to try it again. We've got one round of the Fiocchi loaded up, the Full Metal Jacket 40 grain, and see if we can find this Full Metal Jacket. All right, let's go. Through the first one, blew the bottom out of the second one again. It's cutting them sideways, but no bullet inside. Huh. That is peculiar. Now we looked everywhere in the last break to try to see if we could find it, and we're not having any luck out of that. Let's give a look, see, and we'll be right back. Okay, we've looked everywhere. We cannot find any of those bullets. We're trying something different this time. We got two laying on their sides and one about 1/4 full. So let's see if we can catch this Full Metal Jacket like this. One bullet in. Anything? You're supposed to say, I see it.
I don't see nothing. I'm sorry.
I see a nick here. Oh, probably that came out there. You know what? This jug still has some in it. Let's try it. Like that. See if I can send them through those. All right, this will probably be the last try of the day because these are the last two waters we have. So we're back at it. Final time. See if we can catch that Full Metal Jacket bullet.
Uh-oh. 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 I see it. I think. Right there.
There's the jacket. I don't know how. Did it pierce the second one? No, it didn't even touch the second one. So the bullet has to be in here. Oh, we hit the table. So it hit the table, bent that backwards, and I don't know if that would even be worth looking at. It's just a bunch of bits. The table disrupted the course. No wonder it didn't go into the second one. I mean, there's the majority of the bullet itself, but yeah. What do you do? What do y'all think? Shoot the last one just to see? I highly doubt it would catch it, but why not? It's here, right? All right, we got the last jug with us, and we've got 4 soda cans with us today. So, you think 4 sodas and a water jug would catch that bullet? That full metal jacket, this elusive full metal jacket. We'll give it a try. 1 bullet in. Hey-o! Please tell me. Last one of the day. No!
Went all the way through.
Yep. 4 sodas. No. No luck. All right, let's get cleaned up and we'll meet back at the table. Yeah, right here. Just as I had said stop, I looked down and there's a bullet. Intact. It's not deformed at all. Look at that, guys. Isn't that awesome? We'll have some better photos at the end. But that's what I was hoping for, was to catch a full metal jacket today. You know, I don't know if it was going to just fringe up or, you know, bits or pieces, but we did it. It's laying right there. Awesome. Now I wonder if this came from the sodas or the jugs. The world may never know. All right, now for real, let's go back to the table. Well, that wraps up another one. Sorry it took so long to catch that last bullet, but that was worth it. That was really worth it. Like I said, we'll have some photos at the main end of the video. Good clear photos of that. That was that Fiocchi one, the 40 grain, yeah. And those were the spear gold dots. Those are the reaction with water we caught. So yeah, it's always great to find those little trophies at the end of these. Another fun one. If you hadn't watched the unboxing and the range review of this, go back and check it out. We go through a few different types of ammo. We'll be updating here soon with this pistol too. Like I said, we've adjusted the sights now, and we'll set down some good target, footage and see what we can accomplish with it. And in the meantime, like I say, leave a comment down below and tell me what kind of optic you think would work on that really well. It's your choice with that. And Guys, thanks for tuning in. Really enjoy the Sunday range days. You taking your time to be with us, and hopefully you're having fun with us. And yeah, we still have a table after this one, so that's a good thing. A little bent up, a little dented up, but we'll
That's
keep
just battle
rocking on.
scars.
Yeah, we'll see how long we can keep the table with us. But we may have to figure out some new materials for the top. But anyways, I'm rambling at this point. Thanks for watching again, guys. Appreciate it. Shout out to you all for your support. You mean the world to us.
And you got a cookie.
That's true. A momentous
A real
Sunday
cookie, not an
range
emoji
day.
in the video. A real cookie.
That just made it right there. Really